Well, hello everyone. I'm Bob, and I'm here in the cockpit of the boat I'm restoring. And this is a short video of a failed project. Now, I show successful projects. I want to show a failed, so that's what you're seeing here. I'm not going to go into detail on this stuff because it is a failed project, but I wanted to show you guys anyways. I don't go over some stuff in the video, so I felt like I'd come over here and kind of just show you where these things go and what they're all about. I call these the aft hatches. There's 3 of them here. This is where the joint between 2 of them would be, and this is one of the pieces that I try making in this video. And basically what these do is they just drop down in here between these other drain channels that are permanent, and they just catch the water that goes between the hatches and bring them out to these channels just so they can drain off. And they are removable, so they're a bit complicated, you know, but that's what they are. Now, some of the things I do in the video when I'm building these, I had to make 3 of these, 2 back here and 1 at the engine hatches, and I built them all as one assembly, just because for one I thought it would be less warpage, and the second reason is it was just easier to lay out, and it was easier to lay out and build that way, but it didn't prevent the warpage in the end, as you'll see in the video. A few takeaways from this, I guess. Probably other things I could have done. I hadn't really welded in like 12 years, so and this was a pretty complicated project to just jump right in without practicing or doing some test pieces. That was probably not a good idea. When I did weld, I did move my welds around to not concentrate heat in one spot, but I could have also blown air on them as I did them. I've seen people do that since I built these, and that probably would have helped. Maybe, I don't know. But that's really it. But all was not bad. I mean, I really enjoyed designing these and actually digging out the welder and welding and cutting and doing something different besides woodworking. So it was a lot of fun to build these things up until I realized that they weren't going to work. I cried for a few days, obviously, when they didn't work, and I was bummed because I spent a lot of time on them. But in those couple days, I also designed a new set of these, and I got to building them a couple days later, and you know, in the end, I think they're actually even better than these, or they will be. So, anyways, all was not bad. Survived it, and just moved on. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If for anything, just the entertainment value, and we'll see you in the next one soon. So take care. Well, hello everyone. Welcome to my shop, and I hope everybody's doing well. I'm gonna do a new project in this video for the boat renovation. What I'm going to be building are some drain channels for the cockpit hatches. When I started thinking about how I'm going to mount these in, because they are going to be removable and I will be taking them out to do some maintenance and things on engines and whatnot, I thought a metal drain channel to a metal bracket would be better than a wood drain channel to a metal bracket over time. I just think I could be a little more precise with the mounting of it, which I haven't totally designed yet, but than a wood connection there. So that's one of the reasons why I went this way. It'll be probably a little less maintenance too, because I wanted to paint it, and they're going to be moved and taken out and in and out and stuff. They may get dinged up and whatever. So anyways, it's not the cheaper option. I probably have the wood and the fiberglass and the epoxy, probably even to build the other ones without spending any money. But instead I spent a load of money on stainless 3/16 stainless steel. So I don't know, hopefully it's the better option. It will be in my mind, whether it is or not. But anyways, Alright, now that these are all tacked together here, now I gotta put some stiffeners in here. This will be the bottom side of the engine hatch channel.